Hey guys, Common Sense Outdoorsman here. The Dispatch Knives 30% discount is still going on. It's ongoing through November 22nd, 2022. And just to make sure you understand, I don't make any money off of these sales. Nothing. They just offered me the 30% discount to whoever watches these videos, and the discount code and the Amazon link will be in the description below. And this knife is available, and this is a fantastic knife. I've been carrying this for a couple of weeks now. Let me take it down a little bit lower. And for work, and I've been cutting some foam with it and opening boxes and zip ties and other things like that. This is D2 steel, and this has been a fantastic knife so far. Love that blade shape. Look at that, and I showed this before in a previous video, but I like the way they've got that reverse swedge on there, and a very pretty knife. It will strike a fire steel on this part of the spine. Flat grind. It is on bearings. It's a flipper, liner lock. It works real smooth. I mean, it's an easy knife to operate. It does only come right hand tip up carry. I actually prefer tip down carry. But it only, they could have, that would be one suggestion, they could have made it so you, for lefties, so you can carry it on that side. I don't see why not. The pocket clip is good. It was a little tight for me. I just bent it out just to here, made it a little looser, easy to go in the pocket. Does have a nice lanyard hole there. Those screws on the pocket clip don't get in the way. That's good. I like that little notch in the back. I said this before also. It does kind of suck your pinky in there. It's a perfect place to grip it. Very comfortable. The G10 scales are just grippy enough. It's just a nice, usable knife. Works really good. Look at the blade centering. The blade centering is still, after weeks of use, is still perfect, perfectly smooth. The blade retention is great. It does not slip out of there. It's just a great knife to use. So normally this knife is 26 bucks, I think, through Dispatch Knives on Amazon. So 30% off is, I think, is going to get you under 20 bucks for a D2 steel knife that works really well. You can't beat it. That's the Dispatch D2 folding pocket knife. Really good, guys. So check it out and get yourself one for 30% off. Common Sense Outdoorsman. We'll talk to you guys later. Bye.